Best RC Airplanes. Are you looking for the best RC airplanes? In this video we will look at 5 of the best RC airplanes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FMS Remote Control Airplane, F4U Corsair. The FMS P-51 Mustang Redtail is a high-performance 6-channel RC warbird designed for adult hobbyists and experienced pilots. With a 1,700mm (66.9-inch) wingspan, this P&P plug-and-play model delivers exceptional scale detail, realistic flight performance, and advanced features that make it a standout in the RC aviation community. Inspired by the legendary Tuskegee Airman's P-51 Mustang, this RC airplane boasts an authentic red-tail livery, making it a visually striking addition to any collection. Built with high-quality EPO foam, it offers excellent durability without compromising on weight, ensuring both strength and agility during flight. Equipped with functional flaps, LED navigation lights, and electric retractable landing gear, this warbird enhances both realism and maneuverability. The powerful brushless motor and ESC provide impressive speed and smooth, stable flight characteristics, while the 6-channel control system allows for precise handling of throttle, ailerons, elevator, rudder, and flaps. As a P&P model, this aircraft comes pre-assembled with the motor, ESC, and servos installed, but requires a radio transmitter, receiver, battery, and charger sold separately. It is compatible with a 6S LiPo battery, offering extended flight times and robust power output for aerobatic maneuvers. Whether you're a history enthusiast, an experienced RC pilot, or a collector of World War II warbirds, the FMS P-51 Mustang Redtail delivers a thrilling and immersive flying experience. With scale details, realistic flight dynamics, and high-performance capabilities, this warbird is a top-tier choice for those seeking both historical accuracy and adrenaline-pumping RC aviation action. Number 2. Volantexrc RC Airplane. The Volantexrc RC Plane Trainer Sport Cub is an excellent choice for beginners, kids, and adults looking to dive into the world of remote control aviation. This 4-channel RTF, ready-to-fly, aircraft is designed with easy handling and stability in mind, making it a perfect option for those just starting out or those looking to improve their flying skills. The 500mm wingspan of the Sport Cub provides a balanced, stable flight experience, while its lightweight design ensures durability and responsiveness. With a 4-channel control system, pilots can control throttle, ailerons, elevator, and rudder, making it versatile enough for both basic and more advanced flying maneuvers. One of the standout features of this trainer is its 6-axis gyro stabilizer, which provides added stability and smoother flights, even in challenging conditions like light winds. This built-in stabilization technology makes it easier for beginners to learn and maintain control, reducing the chances of crashing. The Sport Cub comes equipped with 3 flight modes: beginner, intermediate, and expert, allowing users to gradually advance their skills. In beginner mode, the plane's controls are limited for ease of use, while in expert mode, pilots can unlock full control for more challenging flying. Additionally, the Prop Saver feature minimizes the risk of damage in case of a hard landing, adding to the overall durability of the plane. The RTF package includes everything needed for immediate flight, including the plane, transmitter, battery, and charger. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned RC enthusiast, the Volantexrc RC Plane Trainer Sport Cub offers an enjoyable, stable, and fun flying experience. Its combination of gyroscopic stabilization, versatile flight modes, and durable design make it an ideal choice for anyone looking to explore the world of RC aircraft. Number 3. E-Flite Turbo Timber RC Airplane. The Turbo Timber 1.5M RC Airplane, EFL 15250, is a versatile and high-performance BNF, bind-and-fly, model, designed for intermediate to experienced pilots seeking a fast and durable flying experience. Featuring AS3X technology and Safe Select, this aircraft ensures smooth control and stability, even in challenging flying conditions, making it suitable for various flying environments. With a 1.5-meter wingspan, the turbo timber is equipped to handle a variety of maneuvers, from slow and steady flying to aggressive aerobatics. The lightweight yet durable foam construction helps it withstand rough landings while providing excellent stability and agility. This RC plane is designed for land and float flying, with float accessories included for flying off water, making it ideal for diverse flying locations, whether it's a field or a lake. The AS3X stabilization system provides enhanced flight stability by compensating for wind and turbulence, helping to maintain smooth and controlled flights. The Safe Select mode allows pilots to choose a more relaxed flight experience, with built-in protection against over-controlling the aircraft, offering automatic recovery from extreme situations. This feature is particularly useful for those looking to push their flying skills in challenging conditions while still having a safety net. This BNF basic model requires a compatible transmitter, battery, and charger, sold separately, giving you the freedom to customize your setup. The Turbo Timber 1.5M is powered by a brushless motor and includes servos, ESC, and all necessary hardware for easy setup. Ideal for pilots who enjoy water flying, aerobatics, and flexible flight experiences, the Turbo Timber 1.5M RC Airplane offers great performance, stability, and fun across various flying environments. Number 4. Makerfire RC Plane. The Makerfire RC Plane FX803 is a 2-channel remote control glider designed for beginners and young pilots, offering a fun and stable flying experience. Perfect for kids and adults looking to enter the world of remote control aircraft, this lightweight, durable plane is equipped with a 6-axis gyro, ensuring smooth and controlled flights even for novice users. Made from EPP foam, a material known for its strength and flexibility, the FX803 can handle rough landings and crashes without sustaining significant damage, making it ideal for learning. The 6-axis gyro system provides built-in stabilization that helps keep the plane steady in flight, offering enhanced control and making it easier to manage in various flying conditions. With a 2.4 GHz frequency, the plane allows for multiple aircraft to fly simultaneously, ensuring a clear signal and minimal interference. The 2-channel control system is straightforward, with controls for throttle and rudder, making it simple to learn and fly. This setup is perfect for those new to RC planes, offering easy maneuverability and a less complicated flying experience. The Makerfire RC Plane FX803 is designed as a glider, offering long, smooth flights that are ideal for enjoying in wide open spaces. It is powered by a rechargeable battery, and its compact size allows for both indoor and outdoor use, giving you the flexibility to enjoy flying in various environments. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a relaxing RC flight experience, the Makerfire RC Plane FX803 is an excellent choice for introducing kids or adults to the fun of flying an RC airplane with stability and ease. Number 5. Leambe Remote Control Aircraft. The Leambe Remote Control Aircraft Plane is a versatile and user-friendly RC plane designed for both adults and kids. With its 3 flight modes, this aircraft offers a dynamic flying experience, allowing users to perform smooth U-turns and maintain control during various flying conditions. Whether you're a beginner or more experienced pilot, this plane is perfect for anyone looking to enjoy the thrill of remote-controlled flight. One of the standout features of the Leambe RC plane is its 3 selectable flight modes. These modes help cater to a wide range of skill levels, from beginners just starting to fly, to more advanced pilots seeking greater control and agility. The modes allow for easy U-turns and tight maneuvers, providing a fun and engaging flying experience while improving piloting skills. Constructed from lightweight and durable materials, the aircraft can withstand rough landings and crashes, making it an ideal choice for younger flyers or those learning to fly RC planes. The design ensures easy control and stability, and the responsive steering system makes it simple to execute precise turns, even for those new to remote-controlled aviation. The Leambe RC plane is powered by a rechargeable battery and is equipped with a simple 2.4 GHz remote control, providing a stable signal for smooth operation. Its compact size makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor flying, and it's designed for longer flights to maximize enjoyment. Whether you're introducing your child to the world of RC flying or you're looking for a plane that's easy to control and fun for all ages, the Leambe Remote Control Aircraft Plane is a great choice for beginners and experienced flyers alike.